Hello everyone and welcome to Pendulum EDU, and here in this session I'm here to discuss an article with you to learn a few vocabulary words. So as I said that kindly try to notice the words that we've already done, and if you get to notice few words that are repetitive or that are frequently occurring ones, make note of them, comment below and let us know. Also, if you remember the article from the last session, that was a debate between Trump and Biden, kindly comment the words that you remember and let us know the words. Let's begin with today's article, and the article for today heads as Pathways to Diversity on UN Biodiversity Summit. Pathways to diversity, we are talking about the route or the track to be followed, or a set of decisions to be taken, a set of things to be followed to achieve something. Okay, a set of steps to be taken to achieve something, that is pathway. So pathway to diversity, एक तरीके से इसको हम कहते हैं मार्ग, रास्ता फॉलो करने के लिए, right? So we're talking about the roadmap to diversity, and this is in relation to the UN Biodiversity Summit. As a Biodiversity Convention key member, convention is a noun which means a meeting, a formal meeting, एक तरीके का सम्मेलन, okay? So as a key member of this convention, India's pandemic recovery must be greened. So as a biodiversity convention key member, क्योंकि हमारी country key member है इस convention का, so India's pandemic recovery, जो हमारी country का, we're talking about the recovery from this pandemic that our country and the entire world, I would say, is hit with, must be greened. So greened here, if you see ed, must be, so this is third form of verb. So we know green as a color, we know green as an adjective, but green as a verb, action verb, it means to make less harmful. So it should be green, the harm or I would say the effect or negative impact should be reduced and India's recovery should be fastened. The UN Summit on Biodiversity convened on September 30. Now, the date has to be remembered, September 30, in the midst of the global crisis caused by the novel coronavirus. We have discussed this word a lot, many times, novel, which means new and unusual, for this virus that is thought to have spilled over to humans from an animal reservoir, which is thought. We are not aware that where did it come from, but we all believe and we think that it has spilled over to all of us, or it has come to us through from an animal reservoir, that is through animals. In New York, member nations of the Convention on Biological Diversity, that is CBD, took note of the link between biodiversity loss and spread of animal pathogens, calling for an end to destructive industrial and commercial practices. Now, when CBD, that is Convention on Biological Diversity, they came for this check in New York. So what they noticed that there was a link between the loss, the biodiversity loss, and spread of animal pathogens. Now, because of this, what has come to an end? The industrial and commercial practices there have called for an end. Like they have put to an end. They are not no more allowed there. There is consensus. Consensus is a noun which means general agreement. In Hindi we say sehmati or aam sehmati. Okay, that conservation targets set a decade ago in Aichi, Japan, to be achieved by 2020, there were the conservation targets, have spectacularly failed. Now in 2020 in Japan, there was a conservation target set. There were targets made or fixed in terms of conservation of the wildlife or conservation of the biodiversity. But these targets were set way back a decade ago, which means 10 years back, okay, which were to be achieved by 2020. 2010 में अगर targets को set किया है तो 2020 तक उन्हें achieve हो जाना चाहिए था, but it has spectacularly failed, which means they are not successful. Evidence is presented by the latest UN Global Biodiversity Outlook 5 report. None of the 20 targets has been fully met. None. Not even a single target out of the 20. There were total 20 targets, and let's not talk about all the targets. Let's talk about just one. None of them, like neither of them, like even if I talk about one target out of 20, no, even that has not been achieved. Many countries have chosen to ignore the connection between biodiversity and well-being and depleted ecological capital in pursuit of financial prosperity. In pursuit is noun, which means the act of pursuing. The act of pursuing or the act of moving ahead, okay? एक तरीके से आप लक्ष्य की ओर बढ़ते जा रहे हो, ओके? और क्या है लक्ष्य? फाइनेंशियल प्रॉस्पेरिटी का, और उसके परस्यूट में उस एक्शन के चलते आपने क्या क्या इग्नोर कर दिया? आपने बायोडाइवर्सिटी को इग्नोर कर दिया, जो रिलेशनशिप था बायोडाइवर्सिटी और वेलबींग में, लाइक द नेचर वेलबींग, द ह्यूमंस, वो भी इग्नोर कर दिया. So this is what has been stated. Like so far, many nations, or I would say many countries, have chosen this, and they have been ignoring or in the pursuit of financial prosperity. Every nation, what at present it wants financial security or prosperity. So in pursuit of that, they are overlooking every possible thing, and it's not just for now. These are the targets 10 years back. Even then, the same thing has happened. Moving ahead, further the writer says, among the IT targets that fell by the wayside means on the corner, on the side, एक किनारे पर. So जहाँ इनको एक तरफ रख दिया, are those on reform of phasing out of subsidies that erode biodiversity, steps for resource use within safe ecological limits, preventing industrial fisheries from destroying threatened species and vulnerable ecosystems, and an end to pollution, including growing plastic waste. So these are all things that were including. Those on reform of phasing out. तो उन्होंने क्या बताया? जो IT targets थे majorly ये. These were the ones, like if we talk about preventing the industrial fisheries and pollution to bring to an end, like the plastic waste that is generating or growing every single day, harming the vulnerable ecosystems. Vulnerable, we have already discussed a lot many times, but I'm still letting you know that can be easily harmed, जिसको आसानी से नुकसान पहुंचाया जा सकता है. Okay, a bright spot is the partial progress made on protecting surface and subsurface water, inland, coastal and marine areas. A bright spot is the partial progress. We have noticed a bright spot, and that is the partial progress when it comes to protecting the inland water, coastal, marine areas. But the losses appear even more stark from WWF's Living Planet Index, which points to precipitous declines. Precipitous, that is sudden. It's an adjective. कहते हैं ना अचानक, आकस्मिक. Declines in vertebrate populations, a key indicator by 68% over 1970 levels. So 68% से वो decline हो रही हैं, that is the vertebrate population. Now, a bright spot is also termed to be, it's a phrase which means a good side of something that is otherwise very bad, okay, or unfavorable. So a bright spot is something that is a better side or a better look of something. Okay, which has a significant impact on the health. Okay, sorry, we were here. Faced with fast eroding ecosystem health, the 196 CBD member countries must chart a greener course, aligning it with the Paris Agreement, which has a significant impact on the health of flora and fauna. So what has been suggested? It has been suggested that these 196 countries were the part of CBD. These member countries, they should ensure that they bring a more greener course, like a greener course in terms of a better course, a better path to follow, and it should be in alignment to the Paris Agreement, which in turn which in turn takes care of these health of flora and fauna, or has a deeper concern or a significant impact on the health of flora and fauna. So these two together, when they are combined together, they can have a huge, I would say, positive impact, okay, on large scale. At Wednesday's summit, India's message was one of pride in an ancient conservation tradition. As one of the few mega diverse countries, and one that recognized the value of nature as much as the destructive impact of unregulated resources exploitation. So what happened at the Wednesday summit? India's message was one of pride in an ancient conservation tradition. So what India quoted was termed to be a positive one. It was well appreciated as one of the few mega diverse countries, and one that recognized the value of nature as much as the destructive impact of unregulated resources exploitation. So what India conveyed, since as we had discussed in the very first few lines, that India is a key member here of this particular thing, that CBD. So as a key member, what India has come up as a message is appreciated, because people believe that at this point it recognizes nature's importance and significance over the destructive impact that we have had or we have experienced so far. Moving ahead, it has been said that national laws of the 1970s and 1980s have indeed shielded islands. Shielded, that is protected island. It's a verb which means to protect, किसी को बचाना, of biodiversity, particularly in about 5% of the country's land designated as protected areas. But they are today seen as irritants to speedy extraction of natural resources. Now, though we had safeguarded our islands, but at present they seem to be irritants. Irritant is a noun which means that causes something, that causes irritation. Okay, something that causes rigorous and continuous irritation or annoyance. So when it comes to extraction of natural resources, these islands, they create a lot of irritation and annoyance because it takes a lot of time while extraction. In this unseemly hurry, due process is sought to be dispensed with as envisaged by the new EIA norms. As envisaged, as observed. Envisaged is a verb which means as observed or as thought of. Like जैसे कि आप माना जा रहा है, या जैसे कि सोचा जा रहा है, contemplate किया जा रहा है, वैसे by the EIA norms proposed by India government. There is little concern for indigenous communities. Indigenous is an adjective which means native or local. Swadeshi जिसे हम कहते हैं, okay, communities that have fostered biodiversity and no effort to make them strong partners in improving the health forest and buffer zones. So they say that there is little concern, that like people are not much concern about the indigenous communities. that have fostered, that have actually given a force or a jerk to the biodiversity, and no efforts have been made them to make them strong partners. Like nobody has tried so far to bring them and into like together and make like have partnership with them in terms of improving the health of the forest and the buffer zone. So the indigenous communities or the local community, aboriginals like Adivasi, so उनको ऐसा कुछ भी मौका नहीं दिया गया है, या क्योंकि उनको ज़्यादा समझ होती है because they have been there since the very beginning. So we could have partner with them and they could give us information about the nature and the particular area, or we can therefore preserve the biodiversity in the different way. Now that CBD members are set to draw up fresh conservation targets to be finalized next year, India too has the opportunity to plan a trajectory of green growth. Trajectory, again, it's a noun which means a path after COVID-19. Around clean energy, ecological agriculture, a freeze on expansion of mining and dam building. A freeze, that is a stop. Like no more expansion of mining and dam building. Resource recovery from waste and regeneration of arid land. Arid is dry land. It should join the coalition. Coalition is the group, okay, it's a noun which means a kind of a group, ek samuh of enlightened, like of people who are empowered, who are knowledgeable, who are making reasonable points or logical statements, and they're coming up with logical and reasonable suggestions or suggested measures to be taken to preserve the biodiversity is what is needed at present. Once we're done with the COVID-19, and God knows when we would be done with COVID-19, but whenever we're done with, we have to start focusing on this part. So this was yet another article by the writer, and the name of the writer I'm not aware, but still, like here we've discussed this. These are the articles that I had to discuss. This was the article that I wished to discuss with you guys today, and these are the words that I wanted you all to know. So start revising the session, okay, the moment we end it, and the link is there in the description. So go down, click on the link and get the list of the words that we've discussed today. You have the synonyms and antonyms right there. You have the meaning in English and Hindi both. So go get the word list and start practicing. Do let me know how effective is it, the word list that we are providing you. Till then, keep learning and growing, and not to forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for regular sessions with us. Thank you so much.